हाय हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मैथ्स लगे रहो. In the last class we have seen question number 24, 25 and 26. Now let us solve question number 27. How this question is asked, you see, if vector A is a unit vector such that vector x minus vector A dot vector x plus vector A is equal to 12. Find magnitude of vector x, dear students. Very easy question given, you write. So very important is what vector A is a unit vector. Vector A is a unit vector means given only it is whose magnitude is equal to 1, dear students. Vector A is a unit vector means what? Whose magnitude is equal to 1 such that he has given this vector x minus vector A dot vector x plus vector A is equal to 12, dear students. You know or not? I will write here formula if you don't remember. Vector A minus B dot vector A plus B is magnitude of vector A square minus magnitude of vector B square, dear students. This is looking like same or not? In place of A, x is there. In place of B, A is there. So A minus B dot A plus B is magnitude A square minus magnitude B square. So A minus B into A plus B is what? In place of A, x is there. Magnitude of x whole square. Magnitude of x whole square. In place of A, x is there. In place of B, what? A is there. Magnitude A square is equal to 12. And what is A, dear students? Magnitude of A is how much? It is given 1. So 1 square it will become, because square is there. So now 1 square means that will become 1 is equal to 12. So now minus 1 is there, no? Minus 1 you take on RHS, it will become what? Plus 1. 12 plus 1 is how much? 12 plus 1 is 13, dear students. Clear? So now how much you will get the answer? Magnitude of x is equal to, see here, square if you send this side, square root 13. And he has asked to find what? Magnitude of x only, dear students. I hope you understood. If you understood, please like the channel. So I'll continue with next question now. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 28. Show that the vectors 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap and minus 4i cap plus 6j cap minus 8k cap are collinear. Collinear means you already know. Collinear means what? These are parallel, dear students. So parallel we have to show means you know that first we will call the name for these two vectors. Vector A is equal to 2i cap minus 3 j cap plus 4k cap, and vector B is what, dear students? Minus 4i cap plus 6 j cap minus 8k cap. Clear? So I hope it is clear. So vector B is equal to, I can take minus 2 here outside. Minus 2 if I take out, what will remain with? See here, minus 2 2s are minus 4 or not? I cap. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4 I cap. Now see, minus 2 into 3 here, see here, minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6, j cap is there, j cap. Clear? So I can write here plus, minus into plus is minus 2 4s are, see here, 2 4s are how much? 8 or not? Minus into plus is minus, 2 4s are 8 k cap. Clear? So now see, this is nothing but what, dear students? Can you observe? 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap is what? That is nothing but vector A or not? Vector A we can write. Therefore we can say this is what? Collinear. Because vector B is equal to lambda into vector A it is. If you are saying these are what? Negative sign indicates what? They are in opposite direction. Clear? So then we can write what? Therefore vector A and vector B are collinear. Very easy question, dear students. Any vector can be written in the form of another vector, that is called as what? Collinear vectors, dear students. Clear? I hope if you have understood. So we'll continue. See here, you are not liked, I think, channel. Just copying. Please like the channel, then you copy. Fine? Do it. Next question we'll see. Find the volume of parallelepiped whose co-terminus edges are vector A is equal to I cap minus 2j cap minus 3k cap Vector B is equal to minus 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus 4 k cap. Vector C is equal to I cap minus 3 j cap plus 5 k cap. Clear? Huh? So many of the students don't know, I think, what is volume of parallelopiped. So if you don't know, please make a note. Volume of a parallelopipe is nothing but your coplanar, dear students. Something similar, we will solve that. Maximum, dear students, you don't know. So please, if you know, that's fine. If you don't know, please go through this. So volume of a parallelopipe can be found by, so nothing but what? This is already he has given. Vector A, B, C. That is nothing but coplanar. I had already told you. So A, B, C are coplanar. It is something similar. We will write in determinant now, dear students. So what is vector A? Vector A is what? 1, minus 2, minus 3, and vector B is what? Minus 2, 3, minus 4. Vector C is what? 1, minus 3, 5. Now let us expand this. Volume of a parallelopiped. This is the formula how we are using. It's a coplanar only, something similar. So expand R1. What you will get? You know, plus, minus, plus, expansion of R1. So plus into plus, plus 1. 1 is where? In first row, first column you leave. 3 5s are 15. Minus you write. Minus into minus, plus. 3 4s are 12. Minus into minus, plus 2. You leave first row, second column. Minus 2 into 5. Minus 10. Minus you write. Minus into minus, plus it will become 1 4s are 4. So now see, plus into minus, minus 3. First row, last column you leave, minus into minus, plus 2 3s are 6, minus you write, 1 3s are 3. So what you will get? 15 minus 12 is 3, 2, minus 10 plus 4, minus 6. Here minus 3 is there. 6 minus 3 is 3, dear students. So now see, 1 3s are 3. 2 into minus 6 is minus 12. Minus 3 into 3 is minus 9. How much you will get? You see. 3 minus 12 is minus 9, dear students. Minus 9 is already one more is that. So minus 9 is minus 18. And volume can't be negative, no, dear students. Volume area can't be negative. So that's why we will convert this to what? Positive by using modulus 18 cubic units, dear students. Volume is calculated by how? Cubic units. Area is calculated by square units. No, similarly, volume is calculated by cubic units. I hope you understood vectors 2 marks. This was the last question, dear students. I tried my level best to make you understand. I hope you have understood. If you are understanding anything from this class, so please like and subscribe, tell to your friends, and we'll meet you in my next class with new lesson. फाइन, थैंक यू. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. थैंक यू.